Hello and welcome to History of the Atom. So atoms consist of a nucleus containing protons and neutrons, surrounded by electrons in a shell. The number of subatomic particles in an atom can be calculated from the atom's atomic number and the mass number. So ideas about atoms have changed over time. Scientists developed new atomic models as they gathered new experimental evidence over many years. John Dalton published his ideas about atoms in 1803. He thought that all matter was made of tiny particles called atoms, which he imagined as tiny spheres that could not be divided. Nearly 100 years later, a gentleman called J.J. Thomson carried out experiments and discovered the electron. This led him to suggest that plum pudding model of the atom. In this model, the atom is a ball of positive charge with negative electrons embedded in it, like currents, for example, in a round chocolatey type of dessert or pudding. So lots of people have had lots and lots of ideas. And Dalton was actually one of those people that came up with the idea of the atoms, followed by obviously J.J. Thomson and a few others. So this particular exercise today is more about the history of the atom and how the atom was actually initially discovered. So try your best in this particular exercise. And in our follow-up lesson, we'll actually go into this in much more detail. Thank you.